Controversy has erupted over leaked audio tapes allegedly featuring Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh suggesting his involvement in inciting ethnic violence in the state. The tapes have led to a petition before the Supreme Court for a court-monitored investigation. Today, Chief Justice of India Sanjeev Khanna indicated the court might consider advancing the hearing of the plea filed by the Kuki Organization for Human Rights Trust. The petition, represented by Advocate Prashant Bhushan, seeks a special investigation team (SIT) probe into the claims. Bhushan requested an urgent hearing, highlighting the petitioner's compliance with the court's earlier directive to submit evidence, including the tapes. Chief Justice of India Khanna advised Bhushan to submit a written request for the urgent hearing, stating the court would examine it and advance the hearing in cases of extreme emergency. A 60-year-old woman and her 40-year-old daughter were killed by wild elephant in Assam's Udalguri district while sleeping in their home, officials said today. The incident occurred last night in Dimakuchu near an elephant corridor. Superintendent of Police Pushkin Jain confirmed the victims, identified as Lalme Karmakar and her daughter Appu Karmakar, were found after the elephants left. Their bodies were sent for post-mortem to Udalguri Civil Hospital. Residents protested against the Forest Department today, accusing it of neglecting the growing man-animal conflict. The West Bengal government has finally given the no objection certificate (NOC) for beginning the process to frame charges and subsequent trial process against Sandeep Ghosh, the former and controversial principal of state-run RG Kar Medical College and Hospital. He was arrested by the Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) in connection with the multi-crore financial irregularities at the said medical entity. This was informed by the CBI counsel at a single-judge bench of the Calcutta High Court today. It is learned that the state government gave the NOC last evening. Tensions remain high in the Democratic Republic of the Congo (DRC) as the March 23 movement M23 rebellion advances in North Kivu and South Kivu provinces. President Felix is expected to address the nation today amid the humanitarian crisis and the rebellion's major advances, though the exact time is unclear. Vital Kamarhe, president of the National Assembly, announced this after a high-level meeting on the security and humanitarian situation in Goma, North Kivu's capital, currently under attack by rebels. Since Sunday evening, gunfire has echoed across Goma, home to over 700,000 displaced people. Fighting intensified today, including near the Rwanda border, according to local sources. Amir Khan production and Kiran Rao's Lapata Lady Lost Ladies has been shortlisted for the Best International Film category at the Japan Academy Film Prize 2024. Selected from 204 international films released in Japan in the year 2024, it is among the top 5 contenders. The winner will be announced on March 14, 2025. The film is also India's official entry for the 2025 Oscar, highlighting the global recognition of women-led Indian cinema.